Today I am talking to you about whether or not a posture corrector can help to decrease pain, either acute pain or chronic pain. And I'm going to get into that right now. Welcome back, friends, and if this is your first time to my channel, my name is Ashley Osier and I'm the posture specialist. If you want to improve your posture, decrease pain, and enhance your overall wellness, make sure to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss anything. So this video is for people who have pain, not necessarily who have poor posture, because as some of you may know or may not know, there are a lot of people who have poor posture. They don't have any pain whatsoever. They don't have any symptoms. They just have poor posture. They might have a little muscular tension. They might get a little tired, but they wouldn't have what I would consider to be any kind of chronic pain or pain issues. This is geared towards people who are experiencing acute pain symptoms, or somebody who has upper body, so that would be like from the ribs up, maybe even low back pain, but pain in the upper quadrant of the body. I want you to stick around to the very end of the video. I am going to be talking to those who do have pain and how they can safely put on a posture corrector without hurting themselves. What posture correctors will do is it's going to put your structure in a proper position that takes the stress off of the muscles. So when we're in chronic pain, we are bracing, the muscles tighten, they shorten, and it's a protective measure for the body to protect the areas that are in pain. What a posture corrector will do is, instead of your body being like this all the time, it's going to open it up, allow the muscles to sit as they're supposed to, as best as is possible, and give your muscles a break. I recommend that you use it for about 15 to 20 minutes your first time, and just add 15 minutes to your usage. You can use it multiple times a day. So you take a break and then put it back on. You can use an ice pack. If I were to put the posture corrector on, I could very easily put an ice pack behind the shoulder and have it held by this part of the posture corrector. I can also put it at the base of my neck and have the upper part of the posture corrector holding it in place. Really, really practical. So as you can tell, posture looks great. You can also pull it out just a little bit, just to hold the shoulders in place. So say your shoulders are really hurting, you have one shoulder that's out, or you have frozen shoulder. This can just hold the shoulders in place and give your muscles a complete rest. If your shoulders are bigger, you can loosen it up. It's very, very comfortable. I am very much an advocate of managing pain as best as possible. I do have a pain management playlist for counter pain strategies. I will leave that link up here for you guys. But we want to be able to access as many counter pain strategies as possible. I do think that a posture corrector will help for pain in the upper body area, to give the muscles a rest, give a little break. And I say this only from personal experience, because I had dislocated some ribs, and it was very painful to try and actually get both of my arms into it the way that I normally do. So normally we take it off, and normally we put it on, just like so. Okay? And then you tighten it up. It's really easy. But if you're in pain, you're not going to be able to do that. So what I'd have you do is I'd have you loosen it up completely, and then very gently take it off. If you are trying to put it on at its loosest extension, okay, so here's the loosest extension on this. So basically I put it around, try and get both of the hands in, bring my one hand over, help to support my other arm, nice and easy. And I'm going to try and shimmy myself into it, try and get it even on my back, and then very gently, one strap at a time. If you need to, pull this up and then pull this up. Okay? You can't use one hand on each side. Okay? If you have someone who's with you that can help you put it on, that is another option. The posture corrector that I am recommending currently is going to be in the drop box down below. If you actually find yourself getting one of these and trying it out, I would love to hear your input. Please leave your comments in the comment section down below. If you have any questions, you can leave those in the comments. And if you have any pain issues and you're needing some support with that, make sure to contact me about that as well. I hope this was really helpful for you. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And until then, happy posturing.